Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable auto-translate messages in Odoo Discuss. This feature can help your team communicate more confidently with customers who speak different languages. If you work with customers who send messages in different languages, this setting can make communication much easier. Odoo includes an option in the Discuss settings that can automatically translate incoming customer messages, helping your team understand and respond more efficiently without leaving the platform. Instead of copying every message into a separate translation tool, your team can manage multilingual conversations directly within Odoo. To get started, open your Odoo dashboard and click on the Settings app. This is where Odoo keeps the main system-wide configuration options, including features related to communication tools like Discuss. Make sure you are signed in with an account that has permission to modify system settings, because regular users may not be able to access or change this option. Once you're inside Settings, go to the General Settings section. You may need to scroll a little, depending on your version of Odoo and how your settings page is laid out. You can also use your browser's page search feature to look for the word Translate if the settings page contains many different sections. Look for the area labeled Discuss. This section contains the options that control messaging and communication behavior. These settings affect how your team communicates through Odoo, so review them carefully before making changes. Under Discuss, find the setting called Translate Messages. Go ahead and check that box to enable it. Turning on this option allows Odoo to automatically translate customer messages, which is especially useful for support teams, sales teams, or anyone managing conversations with users from multiple regions. For example, a customer may write in Spanish, French, Arabic, or another supported language, and your team can use the translated version to understand the message more quickly. After enabling the option, you'll see a field where a Google Translate API key is required. This key connects Odoo to Google Translate, so the automatic translation feature can work properly. The API key acts as an authorization credential that allows your Odoo system to send translation requests through the Google Cloud Translation Service. Paste your API key into that field carefully. Make sure the key is valid and active. Otherwise, the translations may not function as expected. Avoid adding extra spaces before or after the key, and confirm that the related translation service is enabled in the Google Cloud project connected to that key. As a quick tip, if the option doesn't appear right away, make sure you're in the correct settings area and that your Odoo instance has the Discuss-related features available. Also, after entering the API key, it's a good idea to save your settings so the change is applied correctly. If the translation feature still does not work, check your user permissions, API restrictions, billing configuration, and the status of the translation service. Once that's done, the feature is enabled. Odoo will now be able to auto-translate customer messages in Discuss using the Google Translate integration you just configured. This can save time, reduce misunderstandings, and make multilingual communication much smoother for your team. You may want to test the setup by sending a message in another language and confirming that the translation option appears and produces an accurate result. And that's all there is to it. It's a very simple setup, but it can make a big difference if your business handles conversations in more than one language. It can be particularly valuable for international customer support, global sales teams, multilingual websites, and businesses serving customers across different countries.